Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the update on SLP. On a 7 days time frame chart, you can see that the price of SLP has recently broken out the line that is exponential moving every 21 resistance that is now working as support. And for the past several weeks, the price and is getting accumulated at this support. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that recently SLP broke out a bigger down channel, then broke out a smaller down channel. Then we had a powerful rally, and it was rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from $0.00269 and goes to $0.003. That was previously breaking at the point of rejection here. And here for several weeks, it has been breaking at the resistance zone. And again, it is breaking at a strong resistance for the price line of SLP. And in today's video, I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for SLP that I shared few days ago on 8th of August 2025 with my members, and so far this signal has produced almost 35% very powerful pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for SLP that I shared a few days ago on 8th of August 2025 with my members. And that was a bullish AB equal to CD move that SLP completed on the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup, a buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has nicely moved up from this buying zone and rally to the sell target zone here. And this was almost 35% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the link to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of SLP. And here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that recently the price on SLP has broken out this channel after the breakout, or target was here at the top of the channel at $0.0021. The price and cost of that target, but now again we have broken down this level of $0.0021. That was in fact a very strong resistance. Previously, it has been breaking at a very strong and long-term support for several weeks. And here it was also breaking as support, and after the breakdown, it was flipped into resistance. We got reaction here and now. Again, we need to break it out in order to continue this rally to the upside. And by the way, the technical target for the breakout from this previous down channel, you can see that previously we have also broken out another down channel here as well. That target is here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $0.006. And over there, we have another very strong resistance that was recently working as a point of rejection here. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this $0.006 had been working at a resistance here in the month of August 2022 as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this huge falling wedge pattern will be here at the top of the bed. That is approximately at 7 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.